It is my pleasure to install the 2020-2021 FHIMI Board of Directors. First, I would like to thank you, the membership, for doing your part in ensuring that we have qualified and dedicated individuals to lead our organization. We had 10% of the membership participate by voting in this year's election. We do encourage you to vote each year. Your 2020-2021 FHIMI Board of Directors will be provided to you in a listing. The president is Jennifer, President-elect Leslie, past President Lee, Executive Director Treasurer Dee, Chief Delegate Ann, AHIMA Delegate Nita, Director Tamara, Jerry, Philip, Kiva, and Stacy, and Julia. To the officers, you have been elected by your peers to provide leadership to our organization during the upcoming year. With their votes, the members entrust you with the responsibility of acting as representatives of our profession in the state of Florida. President Jennifer, as president, you have the responsibility of preserving the traditions of this association and of advancing its mission. The office of president is the highest honor this association can bestow on one of its members. Enjoy your presidency, and the members will enjoy it with you. Remember, courage is a president's greatest attribute. Do not be afraid to institute change if change is for the betterment and growth of the association. You've had some challenges this year, along with the rest of the healthcare environment, but we know that you will persevere and you will grow the association. Jennifer, I personally have watched you grow as an HIM professional over the years, and I'm so very proud of you and all your accomplishments. May you be an inspiration to us all. President-elect Leslie. Leslie, as President-elect, this is your year of training and orientation for the office of presidency, which you will soon hold. You will serve as an aide to the president and shall assume duties of the president in her absence or her inability to act. You will represent the future of FHIMA. May you acquire the full insight into the responsibilities, possibilities, and opportunities of your approaching position. Past President Lee. Lee, as the retiring president, you should be very proud of all your contributions and accomplishments. Being president of any organization is certainly a distinct honor. You have performed well, especially in the light of all the challenges we have all faced this year, not only as an association, as a profession, as healthcare environment, country, and personal. You have made some very difficult decisions, but we thank you for always acting in the best interest of the association with the health and well-being of its members in mind. Your new role as past president may have some challenges of its own, but please know that your knowledge and insight will make your advice invaluable during the upcoming year and thereafter. Executive Director Treasurer Dee. Dee, as FHIMA's Executive Director, the bylaws state you also serve in the role as the board as Treasurer ex officio. As such, you serve as steward of the association's finances, collecting and dispersing with care the funds of the association. You have the duty to accurately maintain and preserve the financial records entrusted to you. Delegates, Ann and Nita, you will represent FHIMA board members at the AHIMA House of Delegates and serve as members of the AHIMA House of Delegates team. May your comments and votes be guided by all those that you represent. Directors, Tamara, Jerry, Philip, Kiva, Stacy, and Julia. You will serve on the board of directors as representation of the membership. You have oversight of your assigned committees and serve as liaisons to the board. The association will benefit by your service, wisdom, and good judgment. Now, to all the officers, do you accept the duties of your office and promise to fulfill them to the best of your ability?
I do.
I do.
I do.
To the membership who will be listening, members, you have heard that these officers pledge themselves to their duties, and we know that you as members will pledge your loyalty and active assistance in the fulfillment of their important office. I now pronounce those before you as duly installed officers of the Florida Health Information Management Association. May the future of this association be revealed in a record of faith and courage of our members. The credit going not to just one individual, but to the collective members of this board who play an instrumental role in the success of the association. Thank you.